What's up guys, Marco here, back with another video, this time a very short one because it's more like a quick info, a quick update that I want to give you. Yes, I know the title probably sounds like clickbait, but it's actually not. Yesterday, Google made a pretty big and potentially impactful announcement that they are starting free shopping ads or free listings on the shopping ad network. And now before you go to Google and search for it yourself and go crazy about that news, let me explain in detail what this may mean for you as a Google advertiser and an e-commerce business owner, and also what I believe this, what really the consequences for you are. So don't skip this video, make sure you watch it till the end. It will only take a couple of minutes anyway, and I give you my perspective on that. Of course, nothing is certain yet, and they were just rolling it out, but let me start from the beginning right here. So first of all, what's happening? Google on their blog announced that they are making Google shopping ads free to anyone in a response to COVID-19 issues, right? So the goal is that small retailers who have products that they are not able to sell right now or sell much less of them, they get a chance to show on the Google search engine results page or on the shopping network for free. All you have to do in order to do that is uploading those items to Merchant Center and ticking the boxes for the shopping actions and shopping ads. So basically you can advertise your products. I don't even want to really call it advertising because you don't pay anything and they're just listed passively. You can list your products in Google for free just by adding them to Merchant Center, right? You don't even technically need a Google Ads account for that. So Google allows all those businesses now to list their products passively, and they will participate in the Google rankings and in the search engine results page, as I said. The benefits here are, of course, that those retailers get a chance to sell their products. People, like customers, get more selection, but also you as an advertiser have further, methods to stand out by actually paying money for those listings. And this brings me to the second point of this video, what you as an advertiser, as a Google advertiser, as an e-commerce business owner should do in this case. Turns out that, at least from what I understood and what I'm thinking, not that much is really changing for you. First of all, don't think that now with this update you can sort of kiss your Google Ads account goodbye and never spend any dollar on Google Ads anymore. More like the contrary, because so many people who are entering the game and getting those listings for free, it's more important than ever that you still pour your own money into shopping ads and that you get better at managing them and at making them higher quality. You can imagine if suddenly, I don't know how many people will really participate in that, but if suddenly like there are 50 other advertisers showing up for your products that you are already selling or similar to what you're selling, your listings have to get better. Like your listing quality, your images, titles, descriptions, all that kind of stuff. But of course also the way that you launch your ads, the way you use bidding strategies, the way that you structure ads, work with priorities, negative keywords, all that kind of stuff. All those things will get more important because of this new feature. So, do you still need to pay money for ads if you want to, get good clicks and good results? Yes, because obviously the real estate on the search engine results page, the places that you can rank are still the same as before, right? Or they are still limited. So if there are 500 businesses with their products ranking there is not enough space. So Google will still have to determine which ones to show. I'm not sure whether they put in some element of like randomness so that any sort of business gets a chance to show their product. But I believe that they will have a mix of paid ads that you are still, that still allow you to be number one spot or very top. And then they mix some of those passive product listings in there. If you want to continue to make sales or make more sales or scale in these times, you definitely have to spend money still, and you have to do so even more effectively. So now it's a great time to learn more about Google Ads, to sharpen your Google Ads skills, and to basically stand out from the crowd. Because if you are doing very simple, everyday ads, launching a shopping campaign with every product and that's it, and then like doing nothing, this will clearly give you a disadvantage, while those that are really doing everything they can to optimize their ads, to optimize their feed, basically get their Google Ads account in perfect shape, I believe that they will stand out even more, because all the very low quality Google Ad listings will get problems now with all those people getting on the page for free. Google wants to roll this out in the US by the end of April and then in a lot of other countries by the end of the year. So far, nothing is really certain. I don't know how this will look like in the end. What I understood is that you can opt in for this in Merchant Center. So one big tip that I can give you here is that if you have a lot of products in your store and so far only a bunch of them are listed in Merchant Center, make sure that you allow all of them, that you sync every product in your store with Merchant Center, and then you can still sort of cherry pick the ones that you want to actively advertise. But it makes no sense to have products in your store that are not also in Merchant Center if they get advertised passively anyway. I hope that this update will turn out for all of us. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. Do you see this as a threat or more like an opportunity to get further traction and to further separate yourself from other advertisers? Would be very interesting for me to know. If you want to excel in Google Ads and want to make sure that you are among the top advertisers who actually get something out of this, make sure that you follow this channel, that you like this video, and that you watch out for the other videos that I'm posting on this channel about Google Ads, e-commerce, dropshipping, and performance marketing. Also check the link in the description. There is only one. If you want to learn more about Google Ads besides the videos that I put out here on YouTube and take your skills to the next level. Now, with this being said, thanks a lot for watching. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video again. And now I wish you all the best and bye-bye.